Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making party jollof rice. Yes, your favorite party jollof rice. So stay tuned and watch full video. Guess what? We'll be making a full bag of rice and a half. Yes, 1.5 bag of rice. This full bag of rice and this one, the half bag. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch full video. So inside this basin we've dispatched the rice in different places, so we'll be adding hot water to it in order to extract the starch from it. Yeah, if you have never cooked party jollof rice or rice for plenty people, try this recipe. We won't be using pre-cooking method. This is the method we'll be using, and as you can see already, the starch is already coming out. This is how we'll add hot water in different places, into the different places, and you see the starch coming out. After which we'll allow it, after adding water to it, we'll just allow for 5 minutes or 6, depending on the type of rice you are cooking. Yeah, so we'll allow it for 5 minutes, then we'll start washing. Yeah, after adding this water, allow for 5 minutes, then wash. Then this is the juice from the meat. We'll also be adding a little water to it so that you can use it to cook the rice. We actually use salt, seasoning, thyme and curry to steam the meat. So as you can see, this is it. At this point, this particular one is already washed and it's looking very yummy already, non-sticky and fine. So try this method when you are cooking rice for plenty, party jollof rice and so on. Okay, look at the starch from it. As you can see, looking very starchy. So inside the pot, this one is a different pot entirely. Same water, same juice from meat is already inside the pot. It's already boiling. Then you start adding your washed rice. Yes, this is we adding the washed rice already into the juice from the meat. After which we'll keep adding until we get the exact quantity we want for this pot. Then this is stew. We actually fried this tomato. This is tomato, fresh tomato, shombo, fresh pepper, plenty onions, and seasoning, salt and curry. Then after adding it, we'll stir. After stirring, we'll check if it is enough. As you can see, it's like we'll be adding more rice to it because the water seems to be plenty. Yeah, we'll add more rice until we get the exact quantity we need. Then we'll stir. At this point, you have to test for salt, test for seasoning. We also added crayfish. Sorry, I didn't get the part where we added crayfish. Yeah, it was a mistake, but sorry, we added crayfish, enough crayfish. We add your vegetable oil. After adding our vegetable oil, we'll stir. Then add the next ingredient. I think the next ingredient we added was Ghana black pepper, salt, crayfish. Like I said, I didn't capture the parts where we added crayfish, but we really did added crayfish, enough crayfish. Yeah, because we didn't use any kind of spices. The only spices we used was the while we were steaming the meat, curry and thyme. That was when we added spices. So in order to have a healthy jollof rice. So this one is a different pot entirely. We also use same method we used in the one I showed you. Yeah, we use same method to prepare this one already. And as you can see, this pot is already ready. Yeah, it is ready, looking non-sticky, looking yummy, ready to be dissected. So if you've never cooked party jollof rice or rice for minute, try this recipe and tag me later. And I want to seize this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers, everyone was seeing this video to this moment. To you that love, like, share, to everyone, this rice is for you. As you can see, we're already dispatching it. Dispatching it in different places. Like I told you earlier, is a party jollof rice made for a school called Eternal World Christian Schools International, Umudibia Nekede Owerri Imo State. As you can see, it can never go without rishi. This is the rishi. So thank you everyone, love you from the depth of my heart. This is the outcome of all our, this is the outcome. How do you see it? How does it look? How does it look like? Hope you love it. And to you all my returning subscribers, all my subscribers, you liking, loving this video, this part is for you. This pot is for you. Thank you.